Another subject being discussed at the Capitol is how students can safely start the school year during a pandemic. Susan Elizabeth Littlefield is at Emerson Immersion School in Minneapolis with new information on the Fresh Learning Plan.
Emerson Elementary School, the school behind me, is one of Minneapolis public schools. They have decided to start with distance learning, at least for the beginning of the school year. We know districts had different decisions to make, but today we learned a little bit more about the plan going forward into the year. Now, a legislative committee that concentrates on educational issues listened to the commissioner of the Department of Education today. They laid out a plan in a virtual hearing saying that all districts must have a plan for in-school learning, distance learning, and hybrid learning. There were concerns from several groups like NAMI, who advocate for children, saying that kids could feel isolated and may need more mental health services this year. There were also concerns from parents of kids who have special needs. The Department of Education answered concerns. Here was their response when asked about ventilation in schools.
As our schools have spent the summer, in addition to those tape measures in the hallway and moving furniture and establishing perhaps plexiglass, we have been working very closely with the Department of Health for those other factors our school systems should be looking into, such as ventilation systems. That is one our schools have been paying particular attention to because of the research on the health of a ventilation system. And to your point, we have been providing additional guidance on other factors that are involved in keeping students safe or just creating safety and health.
Another concern addressed today is that meals will be provided to students who need them. Now, as far as making the transition from, say, distance learning back to in-school learning, we're told that the priority will be to get young students and students with greater needs back into the classroom as soon as is safely possible. We're going to have more on this at 5 on WCCO.